Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at conversion of fractional decimal from base 10 to another basis. Convert 0.32 to base 5. Solution 0.32 have real part and fractional part. Zero point three two times 5 equals to 1 is the real part, 0.6. 0.60 multiplied by 5 is 3.00. You stop. Take it from ascending order or top to bottom. You have 0.13 in base 5. Convert 1.625 to base 2. Solution. Firstly, you have to convert the whole part first. You have 1 in base 2 is 0, remainder 1. You have 1 base 2. Zero 0.625 we have real part and fractional part. Zero 0.625 multiplied by 2 is 1.25. The real part is 1.25. 0.25 multiplied by 2 is 0.50. 0.50 multiplied by 2 is 1.00. You stop. Take it from top to bottom. You have 0.101 base 2. And don't forget, we have 1. That's our real part. So therefore the final answer is 1.101 base 2. Convert 6.552 to base 5. Solution. First, convert the whole part and then the fractional part. We have 6 in base 5. We have 1, remainder 1, 5, have 0, remainder 1. From bottom to top, we have 11. So therefore, we have 1 in base 5. Now, convert the fractional part. We have 0.552. Here we have real part. I have fractional part. So 0.552 multiplied by 5 is 2.75. So you have the real part is 2.76. So 0.76 multiplied by 5, you have 3.80. That is 3.8. You have the real part is 3.80. So 0.80 multiplied by 5, you have 4.00. So the real part is 4, the fractional part is 0, 0. You stop. So from top to bottom, you have 0.234 in base 5. Don't forget, we have 11 as real part and 234 as fractional part. So therefore, our final answer is 11.234 in base 5. Thank you for watching.